In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple budget tracker in Google Sheets. Setting up a budget tracker is a great way to keep an eye on your finances and make informed decisions to help save money. Whether you're a college student, have a family, or are managing personal finances, an easy-to-use budget tracker can make all the difference. First off, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. Head over to your browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Once you're there, click on Blank to create a new spreadsheet. Now that you have a blank sheet in front of you, it's time to give it a title. Click on the toolbar at the top where it says Untitled Spreadsheet and type in a fitting name like My Budget Tracker. Next, let's get some structure in place by creating a table. Begin by selecting the cells where you want the table to appear. A table usually helps in keeping your data structured and easy to follow. Make sure you merge cells where necessary to provide space for broader categories like income and expenses. Once your table is in place, click on the B column. This is typically where you'd put your income and expense amounts. After selecting the column, head over to the top menu and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Number, then Currency. This will format your numbers as currency, making it easier to track money going in and out. Now let's make sure our totals column is formatted in the same way. Click on the G column and once again go to Format, then Number, and select Currency. This ensures that all figures are consistent across your budget tracker, avoiding any accidental omissions or errors. To facilitate better input, we should look at creating drop-down menus for specific categories. Click on Insert in the top menu, then click Drop Down. This will help in entering consistent data, such as the choice of categorizing certain expenses as food, transport, or bills. Type these into the drop-down menu options to suit your budget categories. Then, move your attention to the highlights. For this, go to the section of your choice and type in the word Highlight in your tracker where required. Do this for any segments you'd like to draw your attention to immediately, like monthly savings targets or any categorized spending limits. Once you've entered all the necessary data and formatted your sheets, finish up by clicking on Done for any settings or input screens. This locks in your changes and ensures everything is saved. Finally, review your work. Click on any highlighted sections to ensure dropdowns are functioning correctly and numbers display as currency. If everything looks right, congratulations! You've just created a budget tracker within Google Sheets. It's ready to help you manage your finances effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.